Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. This gets you to the pairing controls. Tap Bluetooth to ensure it's on, then open the Paired Devices list so you can manage connections. Next, check app permissions. Location or nearby devices can allow pairing. Restrict them if you want to stop unexpected requests. Once done, you'll be ready to remove auto-pair entries and prevent new pairings. You now unpair and forget any device you don't trust. That removes stored keys and stops automatic reconnection. Make sure to disable Bluetooth scanning inside location or Wi-Fi advanced options because scanning can trigger pairing prompts even when Bluetooth looks off. Then set visibility to hidden or time-limited so your phone won't advertise itself widely. This reduces unsolicited requests. Make sure to save changes and reboot Bluetooth to apply restrictions cleanly. To finish, when a pairing prompt appears, use deny or block so that device can't pair in future. Android records that decision. If your Android supports it, install a security app that lets you whitelist devices and block all others for stronger control. Once configured, restart Bluetooth or the whole phone, then test with a trusted device to confirm behavior. If prompts persist, reboot into safe mode to rule out apps, and then revoke any suspicious app permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.